crunch it, what a delight! Green grapes in a bunch so small, pop one in, you'll love them all. Orange, orange, round and fine, full of juice and sunshine. Purple plum so soft and neat, makes a snack that's hard to beat. Pink guava smooth and fair, tropical scent fills the air. Blue blueberry, tiny and round, in every bite sweetness is found. Brown coconut hard outside, white milk waiting deep inside. Golden mango, summer's cheer, yummy flavor far and near. Red strawberry, heart-shaped too, tasty and healthy, good for you.